This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. This charming and well-maintained 2,000 square feet brick ranch home is situated on almost half an acre. It features an open floor plan with a spacious family room overlooking into an updated kitchen with stunning granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a formal living and dining room, and beautifully refinished hardwood floors. The spacious primary suite includes a full bath for added comfort and convenience. Fenced-in yard, screened porch and detached garage with power. This home offers functionality and outdoor space for entertaining or relaxing. The only thing left to do is move in. Don't miss out on this beautiful home, it won't be on the market for long. March 6, 2025. For more information, review the